To test the IP camera, connect the tester to the camera through the LAN POE interface. The H12 series camera tester supports HI POE maximum 90 watts power output, which can provide power for standard POE cameras and high-power PTZ dome cameras with POE function. After connecting, check the POE++ function in the upper left corner. Please make sure to enter the correct username and password of the camera. Otherwise, you will not be able to access the camera. The IP camera supports up to 8K 32MP resolution testing. The camera's resolution will be displayed at the top. We can call the menu or tester setting to set a series of camera parameters, such as identification, time set, maintenance, camera user set, network setting, video settings, etc. Compatible IP PTZ cameras will rotate accordingly. PTZ rotation direction is displayed on top left corner of the image. Tap the image in the direction you want the PTZ camera to move, zoom in or focus.